There's the lid to the turtle sandbox. So it makes a nice tippy. Come on. Yay. Come on. I have a tippy board and I used to use that, but I think it's too much jarring on the baby's bones. So I used the turtle lid. And those noises you hear are these little things. My friend Tara Majors got them for me. I don't know where she got them, but they're buried in under the toys here, so when they step in there, there's all kinds of noises being made. Come on. Come on. That's a girl. You better get in there, Flood. Oh, who are you? Mary Lou. So this works pretty well. And that's Jenny and Robbie. Come on, Mary Lou. Come on. I just put a bunch of toys in there and let them go.